Omanut. It's your Morala Omanut, Ava, and I'm coming at you with a Mishloach Manot activity. So, on Purim, we give gifts. So we bring gifts to people who need it and also to our loved ones. And these gifts can be anything from, it's usually food and snacks and yummy things, but it can be anything really that you think someone would need or like. And I turned this cardboard box into a gift basket, a Mishloach Manot basket. And so this is one way that we can show care, and the best part is that it's COVID safe because it's contactless, so you can leave this at someone's doorstep, and it looks quite nice, I would say, and it's very easy to do. So I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, enjoy.
Give me light, give me life, keep me free from birth, give me hope, help me cope with this heavy load, trying to touch and reach you with heart and soul. Hold of my hand, that I might understand you. Won't you please, oh, won't you give me love, give me peace on earth, give me light, give me life, keep me free from birth, give me hope, help me cope with this heavy load. To reach you with heart and soul. My Lord.
Okay, Omanim and Omanot. So now that you've made your Mishloach Manot basket or box, you are ready to fill it with goodies. Bye, Lihitrot.